Hi everyone. Today I want to show you guys the new feature that Bitunix added, which is hedge mode. So now with Bitunix futures trading, you can actually set two types of position modes: one-way mode, which is the traditional mode, and also hedge mode, which will allow you to better manage your risk and do more advanced positioning. So with one-way mode, you can only open one specific direction trade, either a long or short on a certain pair like BTC USDT. And of course, if you, for example, add a short order when you already have a long position, the number of long positions will be reduced or closed. With hedge mode, you can actually have a long and short position open on the same pair at the same time. Now, please note, this is important to remember. If you already have an open position or an open order, you cannot change the position mode. So make sure you're clear of any positions when you are setting this up. So in the traditional system here, you'll have buy long or sell short, right? It's one direction. If you click the gear icon here at the top right of the futures trading page, and you look at the bottom, you'll see the position mode, okay? So one-way mode, this is the one we're currently set on. This is a traditional position mode. In this mode, only one-way positions are allowed for futures coin pairs. If we set hedge mode, we can see that hedge mode allows long and short positions within a futures coin pair. And now you'll see the change on the actual order side of things. We can actually directly set a open long or open short, and then directly close that specific short or specific long. Okay, so let's go ahead and set one of these live so you can see how this would work. So let's say I think Bitcoin is going to go down. I could then go and open a short, and you'll see my position is now getting filled. There we go. It has now appeared. So we now have a short order open. And since we're in hedge mode, okay, if all of a sudden I think that, Bitcoin is going to start going higher and I want to hedge my risk or anything like that, I can then actually directly open up a long. So for example, here, my short is working out for the time being. Bitcoin seems to be dropping a little bit, but let's say I think that Bitcoin is going to reverse now. I still want to keep the short open for hedging purposes, but I also wanted to add in a bigger long position. So I can go ahead and do that right now and open a long position. And you will see that nothing will happen to my original short position. It is still open, and now the long has been added. So this allows me to have two positions open on the same pair, two inverse positions. This is what hedging allows you to do. And there's a lot of strategies and risk management techniques that can come about with using this system. Of course, you have all your traditional details like your position size, your entry price, right? How much you're up and down on these positions. And you can close one of these. So for example, let's say now I think we're not going to go higher, so I would close out my long. You can also, of course, close out both at the same time by hitting the close all option. If I think now that we're going to continue falling lower, I took those profits on the long, I could leave this one open, or if I wanted to exit, I could go ahead and close out of this here, click and close all, or I could just go over here and of course close out the short. So there's many ways we can do this, right? Just hit here, close short, and that would close it out. But you get the idea, right? You're now much more able to manage your positions, and this is one of the new feature updates on the Bitunix exchange specifically for futures trading. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone.